Right, at the end of April, I had 74 products to use up. Let us see how I have done in May. Makeup, Kat Von D, tattoo liner. Had it for a very long time. Dried up finally, so yeah, I'm panning it. Will not repurchase. I don't like Kat Von D. I really think a number of the products are not worth the price point. I used to like the high voltage eye primer very much. That was discontinued. As is the story of my life. Besides, I have moved from these felt tip liners, which are not worth the money because they invariably dry up, and I have moved to pencil liners, which work much better and are a lot less spendier. Now, toner, new discovery here. Kosei, that is Japanese brand Kosei. Grace One Deep White Lotion R. Don't get taken by the term white. It hasn't, as you can see, turned me Caucasian. Or white or anything. It definitely still very South Asian here, people. I've been trying to use up all the products that I have so that I can, get back to my quasi-pharmaceutical routine. I think this is not as good as Kikumasamune Sake, but it isn't terrible. I just think I like Kikumasamune and Cezanne skin conditioner better than this. I think this is sort of comparable to the regular Hada Labo Moist. Maybe not premium. It's definitely not as thick as Hada Labo Premium. But yeah, it's much nicer than the Hada Labo Moist. So what did it do? Yeah, basic post-cleansing, toning and hydration. Yeah, brightening, not really. I didn't have any hyperpigmentation to fade on my mug. As you can see, not much by way of acne so far either. So will I repurchase? I actually bought another one last November from Yes Style Black Friday sales. So I've got to, and I bought two at the same time. So I've got to use that up. After that, I may not repurchase because I really don't think, the benefits are huge on my skin. So that's two products. The next one is also a toner. Rire brand Galactomyces 95%. Yeah, that went into a spray bottle and I was spritzing it on. How did I like it? Not bad at all. Better than the Cosrx Galactomyces essence, I felt. Because spritzing is a lot easier these days for me. All I have to do is spritz, apply my CeraVe or Vanny Cream Moisturizer and crush. Yeah, which is why I like toners. And, faffing about with an essence is a bit more difficult for me. That said, I do use a serum. And the serum that I finished up in May has been the Purito Centella Unscented Serum. Contains peptides, 49% centella extract, niacinamide, that's only 2%, or 3% niacinamide. Ceramide, malic acid, a bunch of goodies, no oils at all. My biggest gripe with this is that I run through it very fast. It's 16 months of product, but for some reason I use one up each month. Maybe, I don't know why. Maybe I overuse it. I'm too heavy-handed or something. So yeah, will I repurchase? I've got a few. Bath and Body is next. I've got one hand cream. Patisserie de Mar Cranberries and Cream hand cream. Yeah, $1 or so, £1 or so. Didn't smell of cranberries, didn't smell of cream, didn't smell of anything, did nothing. Will not be repurchasing. Was cheap, which is why I bought it. This though I have indeed repurchased because it is absolutely lovely. Bath and Body Works Warm Vanilla Sugar. The notes are vanilla, sparkling sugar, and creamy sandalwood. All my favorite notes in one place. It only needed iris and violets in addition to all of these. Lovely. Smells lovely. Oh, I could smell that forever. I haven't bought the body mist because there were two versions of the body mist. One was sparkly with glitter and the other was without the glitter. So I didn't really buy body mist. They're not enough for me. Now I finally used up another serum, but this one I used up as a foot lotion. It was bad. It was bad, really, really bad. Clinique Pore Refining Solutions Correcting Serum. I don't know why on earth this thing even exists. It neither refined pores nor corrected anything. Awful, god-awful texture. I didn't like it at all. Did nothing for my face anyway back in the day. Used it up as a foot serum. Not a fan. And it did nothing for my feet either. Another product that I used up as a bath and body product. Lancome Visionaire Advanced Multi-Correcting Cream. Yeah. Visionaire. Does anybody remember the Visionaire serum, the blue bottle which came out? I bought 2 of them back in the day because you know, I read somewhere that there was a massive waiting list and Kate Middleton and everybody else was on the waiting list, which was a huge marketing gimmick. I'm pretty sure that Kate Middleton has not used this thing once in her life. And anyway, I bought the serum as soon as it came out. I think I paid an enormous amount of money for it, and it broke me out so badly. And anyway, Lancome skincare doesn't really. Lancome, Estee Lauder, Dior, Chanel skincare, Givenchy skincare. All these brands have skincare, purely A, to have skincare, B, to sell, and C, to appeal to those who want the bragging rights. Are you seriously telling me that Dior Capture Total or Lancome Genifique are going to work, are going to give bigger and better results than Huda Labo Premium, or CeraVe, plain old straightforward old-fashioned CeraVe, or La Roche-Posay Cica Plus. No, they're not. I've tried luxury skincare. I've tried Korean skincare. I've tried mainstream Western brand targeted skincare, such as, you know, Dr. Dennis Gross, Alpha Rage, Pine, and so on. And I've tried quasi-pharma skincare. And so far, I think it is quasi-pharma first, then Japanese and Korean, then, you know, mainstream Western brand targeted skincare, such as Dr. Dennis Gross and so on. That is kind of on par with the Japanese and Korean. Sorry, it depends on the product. Some products, you know, Dr. Dennis Gross, for instance, I think they do actives like nobody's business. So, The Ordinary, another one. The Inky List, another one. All those brands are on par with Korean. So, yeah, it is quasi-pharma first, and then targeted skincare brands, Korean and Japanese, in one tier. Finally, you have luxe brands such as, you know, fashion houses for designer skincare, fashion house skincare, Chanel, Givenchy, Dior, Lancome, Estee Lauder, Boo. Yeah, they're not here to give you results. If somebody says that Capture Total gave them a whole new face, that is possibly because they haven't used Purito, they haven't used Pincanio, they haven't used Huda Labo, they haven't used Kikumasamune, they haven't used Kose, they haven't used Cosmetics Roll-On, they haven't used Dr. Dennis Gross, they haven't used Alpha Rage, they haven't used The Ordinary, they haven't used the Inky List, they haven't used so many brands. Yeah, that's possibly why they're getting results from Capture Total or Visionaire or Genifique and so on. Yeah, I think I'll stop bad-mouthing certain brands and certain people now. Those are the 8 products that I used up in May. Not many, I know. I am getting back to my skincare routine. Trying to get back, not really working. That leaves me with 66 products to use up from June onwards in 7 months. That is not even, you know, 10 products per month. I think I'm quite pleased with the way this year has gone, empties-wise, so far. Let's see how June goes, yeah? So if you have emptied something, do tell me what it is in the comments below, or tag me where you are posting your empties photograph. I would love to see. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.